If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
Using the DJI M600, I have the freedom to move a professional cinema camera anywhere.
The DJI M600 is a completely integrated heavy lifter aerial system for filmmakers. It includes everything needed to go from assembly to flying. We designed the M600 to combine seamlessly with the Ronin MX, our first openly compatible aerial gimbal. The gimbal can also rotate 360 degrees continuously, so it never needs to be reset. The M600 is compatible with a DJI Zenmuse camera line and allows full camera control of shutter speed, ISO, f-stop, frame rate, and more. By connecting DJI Focus to Lightbridge 2, operators can pull focus with any camera setup that falls within its maximum payload.
Traditionally, heavy aerial systems use big batteries, and it makes travel really difficult. But with the M600, I never have to worry about that anymore.
Powering the M600 is a set of 6 DJI intelligent batteries. Their size makes them easy to transport and replace. They also provide an additional layer of security and reliability during flight. These batteries give the M600 a fully loaded flight time of up to 15 minutes at a 13.2-pound payload, or up to 35 minutes with the Zenmuse X5R.
Accuracy is key when I'm shooting, and shots need to be repeatable when filming take after take.
Equipped with the A3 flight controller, you get intelligent flight modes such as waypoints, follow me, and point of interest. The M600 can also be upgraded to the A3 Pro for 3 GPS units and 3 IMUs. Data from these systems are compared hundreds of times per second or more, depending on the flight situation, and any anomalies are intelligently ignored to ensure flying remains safe. Video transmission is handled by Lightbridge 2, which provides an HD video feed up to 1080p at 60 frames per second, ideal for monitoring up to 3 miles away. With Lightbridge 2's SDI output, television broadcasters now have broadcast standard video outputs of 720p at 59.94 frames per second and 1080i at 50 frames per second. For developers, you will also be able to completely customize the M600 and Ronin MX through the DJI SDK.
Every time you have a piece of equipment on a film set that can do multiple things, it opens up your creativity.
Introducing the Matrice 200 series, DJI's most rugged, reliable, and versatile commercial aircraft to date. Forged by the hands of our top drone engineers, it wields an array of functionality for enterprise users who demand tools that exceed expectations. A newly designed dual battery power system supports up to 32 minutes of flight for maximum airtime with a single gimbal. State-of-the-art aerial imaging is yours for the taking through native support of DJI's industry-standard gimbal technology. Loaded up with the Zenmuse X4S, X5S, Z30 zoom camera, or the XT thermal imaging platform. With an onboard FPV camera, pilots have a real-time view in front of the aircraft to navigate confidently through complex environments. When it comes to gathering critical intel, 2 eyes in the sky is better than 1. The Matrice 210 gives you the power of mounting 2 gimbals at once. Maximize efficiency by flying 2 cameras side by side for capturing different types of image data at the same time. You can now mount a camera on top of the aircraft for inspecting vital infrastructure in all those hard-to-reach places. For rough weather, we've added IP43 ingress protection, that shields your aircraft from the elements. The M200 was born to traverse rugged terrain thanks to its compact foldable design, so you're hitting the sky within minutes of arriving on site. 2 batteries provide power redundancy that ensures reliable operation in a wide range of environments, and a self-heating function keeps them operating even in sub-zero temperatures. With DJI's flight autonomy system, most concerns about safety and reliability are a thing of the past. An upward-facing time-of-flight laser sensor recognizes objects above the aircraft. Stereo vision systems detect obstacles down below and in front of the aircraft. The M200's ability to sense and avoid obstacles makes close proximity inspections faster, easier, and safer. With the Matrice 210 RTK, your aircraft gains centimeter-level positioning accuracy, thanks to DJI's DRTK GNSS High Precision GPS technology. DRTK also boasts resistance to magnetic interference for commercial flight missions near large metal structures and electromagnetic fields. The DJI Matrice 200 series. High-performance aircraft with the reliability and versatility fit for any mission, no matter how tough.
Building the invisible camera has always been a goal of ours at GoPro. And what that means is building a camera that is so convenient to use, you forget that you're using it. And Karma is an extension of that philosophy.
We've thought of all the little details that really help you make your first flight a blissful one. Even if you've never ever operated a drone before, it's designed to make you successful on your first flight. All these details in the product add up together to make it easier to use.
The Karma controller will be your assistant and will walk you through the entire experience so that it's not scary, it's not intimidating, and you can do it on your own.
We've built in a flight simulator in the Karma controller that users can practice flying on the controller without actually flying the Karma drone itself.
We actually integrated a one-button takeoff system into the controller, so first-time flyers can press that button and the drone will be in the air in seconds.
We've built in some pre-made automatic shot paths to enable you to get great cinematic quality footage without needing to know how to pilot the vehicle in order to get those shots.
At no moment in the Karma experience are you left alone to figure out what you need to do. We really guide you through the whole product experience. By creating this foldable design that has a very low height profile, we wanted to achieve portability in the product. When you carry it, you can actually put it into other backpacks, into its own Karma case, and not be intrusive.
The portability of Karma is awesome. You take out the aircraft, you extend the arms, you extend the landing gear, and you're ready to go.
The slim profile, the fact that it's all in that one case that's ready to go, really has caused me to bring it more often to places. Even if I don't use it, it was still something that didn't hurt my experience by bringing it along.
Karma is an amazing product because you get to capture footage, and it's easy, it's fun, it's intuitive, it allows you to get up and go. It's something that I want to pick up and I want to fly.